Hello guys, welcome to Girls in Kenya Killing It, a YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh from Glam by Shykoh. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows. So keep watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button to be notified every time we upload a new video. Yeah. So to start off, I'm going to use this spoolie brush to brush off her eyebrows. So this is the first step of doing your eyebrows. You brush them like this, upwards. Then you use your eyebrow pencil. I'm using Davis number 3. So the first thing is you line the bottom part, following the natural eyebrow shape, using gentle strokes. And also line the top part. But when you're lining the top part, do not start from this point. Start a bit further away from the starting point. And the starting point of your eyebrow should be where, at this point, yeah, here, like there. So for the upper part, you start lining further away from the starting point, but then you follow the natural shape of your eyebrows, as I'm doing. Yeah, following the arc, the natural arc for how it's here at this end part. Then the next thing is you start filling in using very gentle strokes from the beginning, just upwards, following the hairs, and then from there you can continue using gentle strokes. Point of the eye, it's called. Yeah. Then the tail of the eyebrow should be as sharp as possible, but we're going to use concealer to sharpen it. Pro concealers, and I'm going to use chestnut for the lower part and espresso, which is darker, for the upper part, because you want to use for the upper part, in order to avoid having a line, you're going to use a concealer that is close to her shade. Yeah, but then for the lower part, you want to use a concealer that is lighter in order to have a highlighted effect. So guys, there is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, she's really enjoying. She can't believe it's her eyebrows, and you also can achieve that with practice, and also you can look for me for application classes. Yeah, I'll leave my details down below in the description box. See you on the next one. Bye.